The sheets are tangled in my legs, and as I stretch, the sun falls on me. Gentle way you say it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up to the world in front of me. Watches it unfold so beautifully, fitting all the pieces perfectly. It's the world in front of me. Start your day with coffee, mine with tea, humming with my guitar. As you read, I write a song. The words all find me, assembling into this picture of things, with all that they bring to the world in front of me. Watches it unfold so beautifully, fitting all the pieces perfectly. It's the world in front of me. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, it's the world in front of me. Watches it unfold so beautifully, fitting all the pieces perfectly. It's the world in front of me. It's the world in front of me. Watches it unfold so beautifully, fitting all the pieces perfectly. It's the world in front of me.
Look over here.
Move that camera away from the back.
That one?
Look over here. Do one thing.
Hey, corner, come here. Ready, 1, 2, 1. You're taking it away. I can't see who that was though. 1, 2, 1, 2. And last one.
Oh wait. My face was like,
Alright.
If you do a funny one with just the girls and a funny with all the guys, and then we gotta get out of here.
Done.
So all the girls stay here first, and let's just do a funny one.
Okay,
Let's do it. Ready?
yeah.
Just kidding.
Oh, he's going!
Okay. What are we doing? Hurry up, decide.
Are we gonna stay the whole time?
No, just do something. Go. This is
Ready?
2, 3.
I'm pretty sure I did the same.
I know, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Okay, guys, just all guys.
Like this to her. Yeah, like that. It's in here. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wait, this is really cute.
Everyone take your puppies down.
Okay.
Slow.
Okay, bye.
Slow.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I was like a foot and a half off the ground, you guys.
There goes my dress.
What you want?
let's go.
4:15.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Okay. Who didn't drive here?
I didn't, but
Who needs a car?